Much needed rain for firefighters. Good morning, Kate.
Good morning to you, Jim. Yeah, we need any rain we can get. And even though it is slowing down your Monday morning commute, the rain is beneficial, especially to those areas in South Jersey that have been hit hard this season by wildfires. Now, we're not going to get enough rain to completely erase the drought today, as I'll show you. But let's take a look at our latest drought report. And you can see that extreme drought still across much of South Jersey. It has shrunken a little bit in size, but we are still looking at least about 10%. Right now, 7% of our region in that extreme drought. Last week, it was 10%. So the rain we've gotten has helped a bit, but we would need a significant amount to end the drought. In fact, over the course of the next month, you would need over a foot of rain to fall in South Jersey and Delaware to end the drought, nearly a foot near Philadelphia. And over the next 2 months, we would need over 16 inches of rain to end the drought. That is a lot of rain. And of course, that comes with other concerns, certainly inconvenient weather like we're seeing this morning. So rainfall is beneficial. It's much needed, but it is going to slow you down on the roads this morning. I don't think we're going to get anywhere near a foot of rain out of this, but we could see parts of South Jersey, if the rain stays long enough, possibly pick up anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to an inch, and every little bit helps. It is starting to pick up in intensity right now. We still have that threat for freezing rain up here in the Poconos, where you see that pink shading. And as we go through the course of today, again, we're looking at periods of rain, heavy at times. It will dry out later on, but it's looking like right around noon is when those parts of South Jersey and Delaware that are most in need of rain, including the wildfire area, will see the steadiest, possibly up to around an inch, which will help certainly with the firefighting efforts today. Jim and Janelle, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you. And the wildfire continues.
We need the rain. We want those flowers to bloom. And of course, we want to try to dampen some of this wildfire danger we've been talking about over and over, and still wildfires burning across the region. So rain is a good thing, but it's going to slow you down, and it just makes it tough to get moving on a Monday, right? When the day looks like this, everything is wet, everything is soggy. We've got those blurry windows and windshields this morning. So here's what to expect as we head into the new week. This morning, we're starting with periods of rain, slow travel. It is going to pick up a bit through the morning commute, so expect that your morning drive will be slow today. And then this afternoon gets a little bit better. Gradual clearing. The sun comes out later this evening. I think before it goes down, we may see some sun. You may even have sun glare issues for your evening commute, a little bit different than how the morning is starting. Tomorrow through Friday, there will be a basically stretch of dry weather, a shower chance tomorrow night or Wednesday night. Otherwise, we're looking at dry conditions through most of the work week, but it is going to get a little bit cooler, especially Wednesday into Thursday. Today, we're at 56 degrees, which is pretty seasonable. Periods of rain drying out later on, southwest wind 5 miles an hour. You can see there's not a ton of rain right now, but it is starting to fill in. This whole boundary, this whole front is going to just kind of fill in with some steadier rain, and it's not moving out very quickly. It's almost kind of lifting in from southwest to northeast. So we don't get that westerly push until later on, meaning we'll have kind of waves of rain just rolling through all day long, at least until about 2 or 3 o'clock. Right now, the steadiest is down here over Delaware and eastern Maryland. Heavy downpours along I-95, and this will be lifting up into the city just in time to slow down that commute. And where you see the pink, there is even the chance for a little bit of light freezing rain or freezing drizzle in the Poconos. So precipitation chances maximized through about 1 or 2 o'clock. You can see it then just pretty much dries out quickly. Virtually no rain in the area by 3 or 4, and then we are dry for the evening commute with a nicer day on the way tomorrow. Here's the timing. Again, some pockets of steady rain around 7:30, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock in our South Jersey suburbs. This area, which really needs the rain, will get a good soaking around noon, and then it clears out. And by your evening commute, the sun trying to come out, and tomorrow looks like a pretty nice day. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds and highs in the low 60s. Stray shower tomorrow night into Wednesday, and then gets a little cooler but bright through Thursday and into Friday. Kim, I'll send it over.